At Laptop Mag, we love portable monitors because they allow you to have a dual screen experience even when you're on a business trip. However, most portable monitors, frankly, aren't good enough to use at home. This one might be. The Asus ProArt PQ22UC is a 4K portable monitor. This thing weighs just 2.6 pounds, but it's a 21.6-inch monitor. It gets its signal over your choice of micro HDMI or USB-C alt mode, and it gets power over USB-C alt mode. Now, how do you carry this with you? First, it comes off of this stand, and you can put this into an origami style case. The stand itself folds flat, so you can pack it easily wherever you go. Now, this monitor is more than just high resolution. It's high color quality as well. So with this monitor, you're getting 99% of the DCI P3 color gamut, and you're getting just a really stunning screen. So that's just a quick look at the PQ22UC from Asus. It's coming out later this year with no price disclosed yet, but we can't wait to check it out when it finally hits the market.